Hello and welcome to another episode for MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. What does Section 22 of the SRA allow a person to claim along with specific performance of a contract for immovable property? Refund of earnest money, possession or partition of the property, damages for breach of contract, or none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Recently, in the K.R. Suresh versus R. Purnima and others case, the Supreme Court held that the forfeiture of earnest money was justified and hence the court was not inclined to grant the relief of refund of advance money to the appellant. Section 22 of the Specific Relief Act, a person suing for specific performance of a contract for immovable property transfer may also ask for possession or partition of the property. Next. What does desertion under Section 13 Clause 1 IB of the Hindu Marriage Act require? Permanent abandonment, temporary separation, reasonable cause, or mutual consent? The correct answer is option A. Recently, in the Arun Kumar versus Raj Soni Devi, the Supreme Court held that desertion cannot be established solely by physical separation unless accompanied by a permanent intention to sever the marital relationship. Desertion under Section 13(1) IB of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 constitutes the intentional permanent abandonment of one spouse by the other without consent and without reasonable cause, requiring both factum of separation and animus deserendi, that is, intention to desert. Next. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the power and procedure to amend the Constitution? Article 368, Article 356, Article 370, or Article 352? The correct answer is option A. Article 368 of the Indian Constitution grants Parliament the power to amend the Constitution. It outlines the procedure for amending the Constitution, including the requirement for a special majority in Parliament and, in certain cases, rectification by state legislatures. Next. X, with a view to murder Y, enters Y's bedroom at night when Y is out of station. X is guilty of no offense, murder, attempt to murder, or house trespass. The correct answer is option D. X is guilty of house trespass because he unlawfully entered Y's bedroom, a building used as a human dwelling, with the intention to commit an offense, even though Y was not present at the time. House trespass, as defined under Section 442 of the IPC, is criminal trespass into any building used as a human dwelling, place of worship, or the custody of property. Next. Provision relating to harboring deserter has been prescribed under IPC in Section 131, Section 135, Section 136, or Section 137. The correct answer is option C. Section 136 of the Indian Penal Code addresses the offence of harboring a deserter. It penalizes individuals who, knowing or having reason to believe that an officer, soldier, sailor, or airman has deserted from the Army, Navy, or Air Force of the Government of India, provide them with shelter or protection. Now it's time for the practice question. No order of attachment passed under Order 39 Rule 2A shall remain in force for more than 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, or none of the above. Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.